Okay, as you guys might assume, one of the things about running a DIY channel is that people are going to expect you to DIY at some point. Now, the only person who didn't get the memo was Mother Nature, because we are seeing scorching hot temperatures this summer. And so if it's so hot outside, you can only imagine that's also hot in the garage, which is where I build a lot and where I film most of my videos. So one of the decisions I had to make in the beginning of the summer was whether or not I was going to try to battle through that heat or not. And currently right now it's 97 degrees in the garage. And I'm sorry, that's just way too hot to build. So I knew I'd have to transition inside, which is what I did. But the room I'm in is actually pretty bad when it comes to lighting. It doesn't get a lot of sunlight, especially late at night when I'm trying to make the video. So I knew I'd have to step up my lighting game. And one of the things I wanted to do was I had a budget. So one of the goals was to stay under $100. And I think I accomplished that by going with these light bulbs that I got from Roku. So these are actually smart bulbs that I picked up. They're 2 for $23, I believe they were. And they've been fantastic. One of the things I like about them is you're able to control them with an app on your phone and pick from millions of different color variations. Right now I have one of the light bulbs set to blue. And then while I was at the store, I also picked up a LED light strip for my desk. And that's running in purple right now. So the reason why I recommend these is because if you still want to be able to run your channel, but you can't quite build, there are so many other topics that you can talk about. I've talked about behind the scenes videos. I have a video coming out about how I edit. I've talked about 3D modeling. These are all great topics that are different from building, but they still apply to the journey of building. So I just want to take a few minutes to tell you guys that this is a great product. This is no way a sponsored video, but I just want to spread what I've learned. And so let me know how you're keeping your channels going during the very hot summer that we're having, whether or not you guys have AC or you've just stopped building altogether. But don't worry, we do have more builds coming up. I'm going to be editing a build right now, and then hopefully that video will be out soon. But let me know what you guys would like to see me build, if you have any suggestions, and then I'll see if I can make that happen. All right, I'll see you guys next time I decide to hit the upload button. Peace.